YouTubers? This is Swede coming out from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a fun song. It's very easy for beginners. TLC, Don't Go Chasing Waterfalls. Or just waterfalls. Alright, so one thing you need to know about this song. I'm in standard tuning. If you want to play along with the album, put a capo on first fret. Well, let's learn it without a capo. Okay. 4 chords, 4 easy chords. We got D major. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Got A major. 1, 2, 3. We got C major. And G major. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here's the switching. D major. 1, 2, 3, 4. A major, C major, and G. From A to C, we want to grab the B on the way to C. Second fret A string, just one note. To A, B, C, and the main strumming. Down, 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 down. Funky. For the verses, you can mute. Same strumming. Just put your right hand on the bridge. Bring the volume down. Bring it up. Come on, chorus. Chorus, I mean. Cool. The electric guitar, that wah-wah part, is playing higher triads up here, if you want to learn that. So that's basically another D up here. That's 5, 5, 5. No, sorry, 7, 7, 7, 5. Starting on the D string, and then we have an A up here, which is 7, 6, 5, 5. And then we move that to C, which is the same as the D shape there. That's but starting on 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, and then to G. It's 5, 4, 3, 3. This can be cool if you're 2 guitar players jamming. Nice. Cool. TLC. 90s sometime. Early 90s, I believe. Alright, folks. I see you tomorrow. Have fun with this song and be safe. See you tomorrow.